Let's go. What's going on, everybody? DJ Pro here with my stupid brother. And it's raining hard, if you can't tell. We're going to be going on the slide. Let's go. Alright. Landon.
Landon's his brother. His first.
Alright. Now, Landon, you got to film me. You have to hold the phone with both these.
Wow, both.
I don't want them to get muddy.
Let's put this one.
Okay. And now.
DJ's gonna go for after me. He does little girl stuff. See, he ran into the wall. Huh.
It's going fast, Landon.
Pretty cool.
What?
Alright.
Mr. Cool, I wish you were here right now. You two team of gamers. Invader CX and Corey Cullum. All of them are my best friends. Alright, Landon. Alright.
DJ's gonna do another little girl thing.
Shut up!
Look at that. Smack! Here, we're going down the slide together, son.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
No.
Let's go, baby.
Okay, I'm back. Hey, you don't go down the slide when it's raining with the phone, especially with the phone.
This is how Landon Follow does.
No, wait. You have to go on your knees.
Oh, okay, dangerous.
Is it blurry for y'all guys? Alright.
That's why my brother hates me right now because I don't do what he says.
Exactly.
Because he's gay.
You're gay.
Hey, look at him. He kissed the boy. Yeah, look at the slide, y'all.
And
Okay. It's all muddy.
alright, hold it. Look at his gay roll go. Boom!
We're smacking.
No!
Yeah, y'all are about to go down a slide.
No! Stop!
With me.
Stop!
Don't grab it.
Okay. Give it that.
I'm about to sit in a puddle. You want some money? Oh, my head.
Sorry if it's very blurry.
There we go.
Landon dropped it into the mud.
Good thing it didn't just get destroyed. Got it, son?
Okay. Right. Wait, not yet. Okay. Wait, nope, that's too blurry. Okay, go. Just go. Oh man, that's so funny. Mr. Cool, I just wish you were here right now. You're the best.
Please, down in the comments, see which person slid the most.
It was me, obviously, because I kept on hitting the house. Wow.
But he does a little gay stuff.
Shut up, you're gay. You're the one who always talks about.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's totally me. I win. I gotta wash my feet. Yeah. Oh, he's in his underwear. He's in his undies. Okay, bye everybody.